Hi, today we are here to get some inspiration to live this fantastic Halloween feeling and to test this beautiful pumpkin carving kit. This kit includes a scoop spoon, a pen, a tea light LED, 2 pumpkin carvers, one large and one small, and 6 pumpkin stencils. Here in Portugal, this kit is available since October 16, 2023, and it has a cost of €8.99. Presentations made, let's start to bring our pumpkin to life. First, we draw a face and a lid on the top of our pumpkin. Next, we should cut the lid at an angle. Personally, I like the star-shaped cut, but if you prefer, you can make a circular cut. In this step, we remove the seeds and pulp, scraping the inside walls of the pumpkin with our scoop spoon. We should place the seeds and the pulp in a container, and later we can use them for cooking. Now, we cut along the lines we drew and push out the shapes. Lastly, we just insert our tea light LED and close the lid. Our pumpkin is finally finished and ready to scare. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and had fun as much as I had. If you would like to watch more movies related to Halloween season, please comment below and consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon!